It feels amazing. I mean, I do this first and foremost because I love being an actor. I love being able to entertain other people, but I think anytime, any one of us, when we have a job and our jobs can do more and help people and empower people, then it's icing on the cake. And I've noticed just being on the show that I and Jesse and Grant, all of us, have been a part of something that has empowered a lot of young people, a lot of older people across the globe. I mean, the show has taken on a life of its own. So for me to be a part of that, even in a small way, I see young girls with me all the time. It's amazing because this show will live on for a very long time. I will forever be remembered as Iris West, the love interest of Barry Allen, a white guy, and a part of a strong black family. I know what that means, and I know the social implications of that. It's very powerful. It's very powerful, and it's not lost on me.